welcome to the Optimal Life Personal Development Program Series. Hi, I'm Dr. Stephen Bizal. I've spent one half of my adult life in corporate America and the other one half working at the intersection of functional medicine, integrative healthcare, and wellness lifestyle transformation. My mission has always been simple: to help people find the missing pieces of the puzzle to be able to connect the dots in their own lives between their choices, their health, and their potential. We live in a world full of chaos and confusion. Life can be challenging at times. Some of us were taught how to navigate these challenges, some were not. And I was one who was not. I had to learn the hard way through experimentation, research, trial and error, and persistence. In my generation, we called it the School of Hard Knocks. At this stage in my life, I tell people that I earned my double PhD from the University of Hard Knocks. At least that's how it felt on many occasions. Most of us weren't taught how to actually feel well, live well, or lead well. We were told to chase success, but not how to feel whole doing it. But gradually, over time, I figured out some things. I figured out what works and what doesn't work in several areas of my life. Most of us were handed a life script without ever being asked if it fit. Go to school, get a job, be productive, push through. But nowhere in the script was there space to ask, what does it mean to feel well? What does it mean to feel alive? So if you're struggling and tired of feeling lost and disconnected, you're not alone. And more importantly, you're not broken. The truth is, we've been trying to navigate a complex life without having been taught the basic tools. And if you're finding that the tools that you have been using aren't working, well, it's time to learn and master a new set of tools that will get you better results. And because of what I've learned, I might be able to provide you some basic tools designed to save you time on your personal learning curve on the road to creating a life that works for you. It's not that I have all the answers, but I do possess enough life experiences to be able to help you transform your life and make your learning curve a little less painful and a little more rewarding and fulfilling in several areas of your life. You see, there are three truths no one teaches us about life when we're young and the most impressionable. If we use the sports analogy, to win in any athletic game, you need to have an understanding about three things. Number one, the playing field. Number two, the rules of the game, how that game is actually played. And number three, the skill sets required to play the game well. As it is in athletics, so it is in your health, your relationships, both personal and business, and so it is in the game of life. The Optimal Life Personal Development Program Series evolved organically over time based upon my life experiences and life lessons learned, my successes and failures. As an athlete, a health and fitness advocate, a healthcare provider, a business owner, and a business consultant. The first learning module in the Optimal Life series addresses your health, the cornerstone for reaching your highest human potential, that without your health, you're hamstrung. The Optimal Life Health and Wellness course is the workbook version of my legacy book, The Optimal Life Empowering Health, Healing, and Longevity, that was taught as an approved continuing education course in the state of California for healthcare professionals, teaching the fundamental wellness principles based upon the Wholistic Health Model. The other programs in the Optimal Life Personal Development Program Series teach fundamental truths and tools necessary to create healthy relationships, both personal and professional, as well as the soft skills mastery in the areas of leadership and professional selling that will make you more effective in your business or in your professional career. Whether you realize it or not, you possess the innate power to create or recreate anything and everything in your life that is not working. And if any of what I have just shared resonates with you and you believe that your journey could be simpler and more fulfilling, I invite you to learning module number 2 for a deeper dive. The Optimal Life will help you identify those missing pieces of the puzzle to help connect the dots in your own life on the road to creating the life you desire. This is Dr. Stephen Bizal. Thank you for your most valuable commodity, your time, and we'll see you in the next learning module.